This video will guide you through installing the L-TWOO TT electronic front derailleur. Check the specs of your frame's front derailleur mounting bracket and install support washers as needed. This prevents frame damage from the front derailleur's support screw pressure. Install the battery. Thread the power cable through the seat tube and connect it to the seat tube battery. Align the triangular notch on the connector and insert it. Secure the battery inside the seat tube. Then, carefully slide the seat tube back into place. Important, tuck the cables neatly. Forcing the seat tube down can damage the power cable. Thread the power cable into the dust plug. Align the triangular markings on the connector. Then insert the power cable fully into the front derailleur. Temporarily secure the front derailleur. Use a 4mm hex key to temporarily attach the front derailleur to the frame clockwise. Leave it loose enough to move slightly. Adjust the installation height. Refer to the label on the front derailleur cage to adjust the height. Aim for a 1-3mm gap between the outer plate and the tooth tips of the largest chainring. Adjust the installation angle. Keep the outer plate's flat surface directly above the largest chainring. Ensure the rear edge of the outer plate is 0.51 mm inward compared to the front edge. Once set, tighten the fixing screws clockwise with a 4mm hex key to lock the derailleur in place. Use a 2mm hex key to turn the support screw inside the derailleur clockwise. Keep adjusting until the inner plate is parallel to the largest chainring surface. Thank you for watching this video.